The crisis within the BJP deepened late Wednesday night when L.K. Advani conveyed his displeasure to BJP's leaders over the party's decision to field him from Gandhinagar in Narendra Modi's Gujarat. Now, according to sources, Mr. Advani, the BJP senior-most leader, wants to shift to Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh this time round. Senior leaders Sushma Swaraj and Nitin Gadkari met Mr. Advani at his home on Wednesday evening to convince him to accept the decision taken by the parliamentary board made up of the party's top leaders and then endorsed by a subordinate group called the Central Election Committee. Mr. Advani, a member of both, skipped the meetings as details of his candidacy were being discussed. The election committee, meanwhile, also decided that Narendra Modi will contest a second seat, Vadodara in Gujarat, apart from Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. At the meeting, Mr. Modi reportedly insisted that Mr. Advani contest from Gandhinagar, his seat for the last 16 years. Sources say the Gujarat Chief Minister emphasized that the state BJP had unanimously recommended Mr. Advani stand from Gandhinagar.
Crisis in the BJP has deepened with the senior-most leader in the party today actually refusing to accept the nomination for him from the Gandhinagar seat in Gujarat created by the BJP's top panel called the Central Election Committee, and also the decision of the Parliamentary Board, which is the top decision-making body of the BJP. Both had said that Advani should contest from Gandhinagar. It was early in the day when the buzz started that Mr. Advani wanted to contest from Bhopal, migrate from Gandhinagar. Eventually, the BJP top leadership went into a damage control mode. The parliamentary board first met, in which the arguments basically from the side of Mr. Advani's camp was that under Narendra Modi, there are doubts that the Gujarat BJP cadres will work enthusiastically enough to ensure that Advani wins. And also, if Advani contests from Bhopal, it will send some kind of a political signal, as in the case of Mr. Modi contesting from Varanasi, Rajnath from Lucknow, and Jaitley from Amritsar. The Modi camp was wary that if Mr. Advani shifts to Bhopal, eventually it will send a signal to the political rivals that even Mr. Advani is uncomfortable in Narendra Modi's Gujarat. The crisis was, it seems, settled when the Parliamentary Board and the Election Committee ruled that Mr. Advani will be nominated. Eventually, in the evening when the list came, Advani was nominated from Gandhinagar. After that, two senior leaders, Sushma Swaraj and Mr. Nitin Gadkari, went to meet Mr. L.K. Advani, conveyed the decision and tried to convince him. But now top sources are telling us that Mr. Advani has expressed a sense of displeasure over being nominated from Gandhinagar, and he wants that the Bhopal seat should be considered. Now, this is a very piquant situation, primarily because the nomination for the from the state committee in Madhya Pradesh have sent three names. These names do not include the name of Mr. L.K. Advani. So how can the central BJP panel consider the name of Mr. L.K. Advani from Bhopal, while the unanimous decision on Advani's name came from Gandhinagar? Now this is a situation which now seems to be the RSS court, as the BJP top leaders like Modi and Rajnath have already met the RSS chief, Mr. Mohan Bhagwat.